ISTQB Foundation Level, question 491. Which of the following uses impact analysis most? A. Component testing. B. Non-functional system testing. C. User acceptance testing. D. Maintenance testing.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is D, according to ISTQB Syllabus. Impact analysis is most frequently used in maintenance testing, because maintenance testing involves changes to an already operational system, e.g. bug fixes, enhancements, migrations, or patches. Impact analysis helps assess the potential risks of these changes by determining what parts of the system could be affected, what existing functionality might break, what level of regression testing is required. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because component testing focuses on isolated parts of the code rather than system-wide effects. Answer B is not correct, because non-functional tests, e.g. performance, security, usability, usually focus on system attributes rather than impact of changes on functionality. Answer C is not correct, because UAT, user acceptance testing, mainly verifies if the system meets business needs. Impact analysis is not the primary focus. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3, maintenance testing, in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that impact analysis may be done before a change is made. This is fully consistent with the correct answer D. I do think that you are an incredibly talented person, and it will be ridiculously easy for you to answer such kinds of questions if you figure out all the ISTQB questions on my video channel. And then passing the Certified Tester Foundation Level exam will not be a dream, but a reality. Don't stop, never give up.